Used to replace my son's Xbox cord. Works great, good for the money. Works great with my Xbox. Had it for a couple months now. Works exactly how it should and is pretty long. I need this for my Xbox because I left my cord at home. Once I got it, I plugged it in and damn. Game time. It works great for a PS4 replacement power cord. I just don't like how short it is. Gets the job done though. I got the 6 feet cable. It's sturdy and the perfect length, especially when there's some distance between the TV and my Xbox One S, which tends to happen when you travel with your console for streaming purposes. Hope everyone has the same experience I had. I misplaced my cord while moving. I'm sure it will turn up in a box somewhere. But this cord has worked perfectly as a replacement. Works perfect on my PS3 Super Slim console. Bought for son's Xbox Series X, when we didn't get his back from Microsoft. Works great. It works as it should. Great product. Click link in description for more reviews.